Hi, this is Casper, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can create videos using Zapier. So in this Zapier we are going to create a very simple trigger, then an action that creates a dynamic video, and then another action that sends off that video to someone's inbox. So the use case for this is personalized videos, but you can replace this action with any action that you want. So we're only going to focus on this action to create a dynamic video. So to start off, we need a video template, and for that we are going to use CreatorMate. So if you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. And in your dashboard, you go to My Templates and then click New to create a new video template. And let's choose this template. Then Create Template. So in the video editor, you can customize the video to your liking. And as you can see, in this template, we have a background video and a text. And what I want to show you in this tutorial is that we are going to replace that video and this text with something that we specify in our Zap. You can also create your own templates, but then you have to make sure that all elements you want to replace are marked as dynamic. You can see if an element is dynamic by the pen icon over here. So this text 1, text 2, and this video element are all dynamic. If not, you can set the checkbox over here to make an element dynamic. And this is required to have them show up in our Zapier configuration. So now we can create a Zap. So go to your Zapier dashboard and click Create and then New Zap. And as a trigger, we're going to use the Chrome extension and event new push. Click continue. And as we want to pass data to our next action, we are going to add 2 input fields. The first one, text, click continue. And the next one, video URL, and click continue. And again, then click test trigger. And now our trigger is set up. Click continue. And now we're going to add the CreatorMate action. So search for CreatorMate. If CreatorMate doesn't end up in your search results, make sure you are invited to our plugin. And to do that, you can simply send an email and you will be invited. But if it's already showing up, then just select the latest version. Select create single render. Continue. So if you haven't already, you can sign into your CreatorMate account. So click this button and a authentication pop-up will show up. And here we have to specify our API key from our CreatorMate dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard again in CreatorMate. So click the back button over here. And in our CreatorMate dashboard, click this menu, then project settings button. And over here we can find our API key. We just have to click this field to make it appear. Then simply copy this API key and go back to our Zap, to our authentication pop-up, and paste the API key and click yes, continue. So now our CreatorMate account is connected to Zapier and we can click continue. And here we're going to select a template from our account, and that is the video template that we just created in CreatorMate. Here we can select the modifications we want to apply to that video, and we want to pass data from our trigger to this action. So we're going to click into this input fields, then show all options, and click the video URL from our trigger. Then the text 1 we want to replace with data from our trigger 2. So we click the input fields, show all options, and text. So we can keep all these fields as is. We don't need to change anything here. And let's click continue. And we can skip the test. Skip test. So next we're going to create an additional action that will send the video that has been created to an email address that we specify. So we click the plus button to create another action, and let's search for email and choose the email by Zapier action. Choose the send outbound email event and click continue. In this case, I'm going to send it to myself. Like this. Let's input a subject for our email. Hi, your video is ready. And let's enter a body text. Here's your video. And for that we're going to use the video URL that we received from Creatomate. So click create single render from here and show all options. Click the URL. And that's it. Now we have created an action that sends the email with the rendered video to our email address. So we can finish with clicking continue, then skip test. And the last step that we have to do is just publish the Zap and turn it on. Now that we have created our Zap, we can test it out. So we are using the Chrome extension push trigger. So for that, you have the Zapier Chrome extension. You can easily install it from the Chrome extension store. And if you open it, you will have this sidebar where you can view all your Zaps. And click the untitled Zap that we just created. And here you have the text and video URL input fields that we configured in our trigger. So let's get started. Hi, Laura. And the video URL, I'm just going to use a public accessible video URL like this. So I want this video to show up in our rendered video. And we're going to use this URL and paste it in here. And then click send. Now that our Zap has been triggered, we can go to history. And here we can see that our Zap has indeed been triggered. We can click it and then we will see what is happening here. It is currently waiting, and as you can see, it's waiting for Creatomate to render the video. And if we refresh this page, you can see that it has been finished and that it's now sending the email. So let's check our inbox. And yes, I've received the email. Oh, I see I made a typo here. But anyway, here's our render, our URL to the video that just has been created in Creatomate. And as you can see, the video has been rendered and the video that I specified and the text "Hi Laura" has been inserted in this video. So now we have created a video dynamically using Zapier. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you click the link in the description, you can follow more of these tutorials using Creatomate. Thank you for watching.